ASL 2, Unit 16, recipe vocab. Don't forget for your recipe, for the beginning where you say like how many ingredients you need, you just say you need 10 things and then list your 10, okay? So teaspoon, TSP. Tablespoon, TBSP. Ounces, OZ. Pound, it's like name, but your dominant hand on top teeters off and on. Can or cup. Package, you're just gonna make the basic shape of it. So like this, or is it like this? Box, box. Degrees, sideways O, circle it. Oven, finger spelled. Preheat, just turn the knob. So you're gonna preheat the oven to 450 degrees, for example. Heat is hot. Stove, finger spell. Leave to cool, leave it alone. To cool, fan your face. High, you're gonna take an H, go up, so high heat for the stove. Low, same thing, but an L going down. Medium, medium. Half a cup, half an ounce, whatever, half, 3/4, 5/8, whatever the numbers make the fraction. Garlic is finger spelled and oil is finger